Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about this steamer from Harbor Freight. Now, I was at Harbor Freight yesterday picking up a couple things. Of course, when you go in the store, pick up two things, you end up going out the door with more, right? So this is actually in the parking lot sale, which I didn't notice before. I took a double peek on it, and I saw this in there. This is the Grant's line, Harbor Freight's line, which is kind of like their auto detailing line. They got some microcloths in there and everything, so I thought I'd pick it up. So we're going to unbox this and we're going to test it. Okay, so it says it heats up over 200 degrees for cleaning. Got some 9-foot 6-inch power cord on it, and it sprays up to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. The one thing I'm not sure about it, how long it heats up, which we will test it. I did look the instructions online before I opened this, so I wasn't going blind doing this. So we're going to open this up now. This looks like it's taped up pretty good. And lots of things in here. Right, there is a unit itself. And let's put one of these nozzles on. Is it just a push and turn on there? Yep. Okay. So we got to fill up to here, fill it. And what I have here is I have some, you gotta put distilled water in these. This is distilled water. These are some old wine bottles I had. And I get distilled water from my dehumidifier. And I collected, my dehumidifier runs in my basement all summer long. All right, so we're gonna fill this up. Am I close to that? Yep. Okay. And then we're going to pour in here. It does come with the funnel, of course. Kind of nice, it does have that pour on it, so you can pour it easy. So 6 minutes 30 seconds is what it said for this water. Yeah, the main thing I want to test is how long it takes to heat up. All right, put the cap on. There's a light. Hang on, let me get my phone ready to timer so we can time this. I think we just plug it in. I don't see a switch. I don't see a switch on it. Let me get my phone ready here for the timer. Okay, so plug in, and I'm gonna press the stopwatch on this. All right. Let's see how long it takes to heat up. Okay, so it took about 2 minutes 53 seconds to heat up. And that light does go on. Now it says when you first start, you may get some water drips out of it, you know, so it starts up. Oh. Not too much, a little bit. All right, so the accessories that come with it, we have this flexible thing. And this goes on here, right? Then that can be attached on the end of this, which we'll demonstrate. Then we got these little different tools that go on here, like that. All right. Okay, now I'm going to jump over to the Harbor Freight website real quick because I want to show you this. So there it is there right now. If you look at that price, that's a really good price. That's the parking lot sale. So tomorrow, non-members will be able to get that price. I had 2 left at my store, so now there's 1. All right. The one thing I wanted to do, that it should, if we unplug this, this should keep on working for a little bit, all right? Because there's still steam build up in there. This trigger is pretty tough, right? Good. So what I want to do next, I'm going to take this on a grill that I have where it's kind of greasy on the sides. I want to see if this thing can take care of that grease. Okay, I don't have this plugged in at all. Just want to get to work here. Yeah, it seems to be taking that grease off. It's really greasy from my tools. Well, I'm not probably, since it's not plugged in, I'm probably not having that much steam in here. But yeah, that's taking it. Doing a pretty good job of taking it off. Okay, let's try a couple more tests with it. Okay, next, we're going to put together the squeegee. So it comes in the box like with 3 parts, all right? So this part is going to attach to here. Put that in there. Like that. And then the flexible hose, I'm going to put on there and lock it in. Okay, and this comes off. Now if you see where that mark is, that's where you line it up. Take it on off. Here we're going to put this on. Okay, there we go. Now, this is a squeegee, so we'll go out and we'll test it on my car windshield. Like I said, it's already hot, and I shouldn't need to plug it in out there. All right, so I have this on there. I don't have it plugged in, and we're going to try it. I'm not sure how long it can go before it run out of steams or needs to be plugged in again. So look at that. It's pretty good. Of course, this windshield is, this is a 20-year-old car, so this windshield's dinged up pretty good. All right, next we're going to do inside the car, which a lot of people buy these for car detailing. Okay, I did go in and plug it in for a little bit just to give it a heat the water up again, but I'm still on the original water. This is what most common thing for these tools are. Put it inside the vent. I actually had a mouse living in here too, inside my vent. This would probably clean it up. It's actually starting to run out of steam, but it's not plugged in. Okay, there we have it. Let's go back to my shop and we'll finish up the review. All right, so there's some capabilities of what this Harbor Freight steamer can do. There's other steamers out there. Look on Amazon. There's one by McCullough that runs about $52. There's one by Wagner that is $100. I mean, for $19.99, that's a deal, guys. Just go out and get it. Got 20 bucks in your wallet. Buy this tool. It's well worth the price, especially half off right now. What I'm going to use this for is mostly greasy stuff. I probably will not use it for my car at all, because I got a lot of fryers I use. I mean, using steam for fryers rather than oven off, which I can't stand. Oven off is great of getting grease out, but I just can't stand it. Another thing that I did see in instructions about these is about once every 3 to 6 months, take the cap off, put a vinegar water mix in this, let it sit for 30 minutes, then dump it out, repeat. Depends on how your water is. But again, use distilled water. You collect it from a dehumidifier like me, or else buy it in the store. All right, guys, that's it. Tell me what you think. What would you use this tool for? Thanks for watching.